The ocean is a system, balanced, complex, and alive. Blue Biome is a strategy board game inspired by real marine ecosystems. It's fun and easy to play, but also teaches how nature's balance shaped life in the sea. The game is based on real marine science, with regions that mirror how different parts of the ocean really work, from icy polar seas to colorful coral reefs. Changing events, regions, and player choices make each round unique. No two ocean worlds unfold the same way. Players collect resources to create food chains and healthy ecosystems, learning how energy and life flow through the ocean. You race against others to grow faster, compete for resources, and adapt to changing ocean events, just like species competing to survive. Easy to learn and fun for families, students, and gamers who want to explore the ocean while competing and cooperating to keep ecosystems alive. Blue Biome is a science-based board game that helps people understand how ocean ecosystems work and how climate and human actions shape them. We turn real marine science into systems people can play, explore, discuss, and teach.